Hi dear students, welcome to a new session of ColorQ. Today we are continuing with chapter 5, division. In this session, we are going to discuss on one digit number division and checking of this division. The last class we already learned one digit number division. Now let us discuss on division and how to check it. Here, first question is 96 divided by 3. Can you do it? 96 divided by 3. Since the divisor is a one-digit number, we are considering only one digit from the dividend. Here 9. In 9, how many 3's are there? Please go through the multiplication table of 3. We'll get 3 3's are 9. After that, subtract it. 9 minus 9. It is 0. Next, take down the next digit. It is 6. In 6, how many 3's are there? 2 3's are 6. So, 2 into 3 will get 6. Now subtract it. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Now, let's see how to check a division. For checking a division, the equation is there. It is dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Don't forget it. What is the equation for checking division? Dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. That means we'll get one quotient while doing division, no? Just multiply the quotient and divisor, then add remainder. The answer which we are getting will be similar to the dividend. Answer will be dividend itself. If you get the dividend as answer, your division is correct. So, let's see how to check a division. After doing a division, please take down and write these 4 terms. Dividend is equal to 96, divisor is equal to 3, quotient is equal to 32, remainder is equal to 0. Now, just write the equation first. Dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. How much is the quotient? 32 into divisor. Divisor is 3. 32 into 3 plus remainder. How much is the remainder? 0. Now multiply. The working space, please multiply it and see what is 32 into 3. 32 into 3 is 96. If we add 0 also, same 96 itself. So, here our dividend is also 96. So, now I can understand that my division is correct. Moving on to next example. Question 2. 73 divided by 6. Now, let's see the division. In 7, how many 6 is there? Only 1. 1 into 6, 6. Now subtract it. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. In 1, there is no 6. So, take down the next digit. Now it becomes 13. In 13, how many 6 is there? 2. 2 into 6 is 12. Now, subtract it. 3 minus 2, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So, how much is the quotient here? 12. Divisor, 6. Remainder, 1. And the dividend is 73. Are you ready to check the division? What is the equation for checking division? Dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Now let us start. First do the thing which is given in bracket, no? Just do this multiplication first. After that, add a remainder. So, quotient is 12 into divisor is 6 plus 1. First do this multiplication in the working space. You will get 72 plus 1. Only one is here. Don't get confused. Here I wrote two ones. This by mistake. 72 plus 1 will get 73. It is same as dividend. So my division is correct. Next question 3. 848 divided by 4. In 8, how many 4s are there? 2. 2 into 4, 8. Now subtract 8 minus 8 is 0. Take down the next digit. In 4, how many 4s are there? Only 1. 1 into 4, 4. Now subtract it. 4 minus 4, 0. Taking the next digit, 8. In 8, how many 4s are there? 2. 2 4s are 8. Now subtract it. 8 minus 8, 0. Now, let us check the division. Equation for checking division is dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Dividend is equal to 848. Divisor is equal to 4. Quotient is equal to 212. Remainder is equal to 0. Now let's start checking division. 212 into 4 plus 0. Please multiply it. You will get it is 848. The same as dividend. So my division is correct. Question 4. 1723 divided by 5. Let's do the division first. In 1 there is no 5. So consider those two digits. 17. In 17 how many 5s are there? 3. 3 5s are 15. Subtract it. 7 minus 5, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. In 2 there is no 5. So take the next digit down. 22. In 22 how many 5s are there? 4 5s. 4 5s are 20. Now subtract it. 2 minus 0, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Now take the next digit down. I took 3. Now it becomes 23. In 23 how many 5s are there? 4. 4 5s are 20. Now subtract it. 3 minus 0, 3. 2 minus 2, 0. Now let's check the division. Dividend is equal to 1723. Divisor is equal to 5. Quotient is equal to 344. Remainder is equal to 3. The equation for checking division is dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Now check it. 344 into 5 plus 3. How much is 344 into 5? It is 1720 plus remainder 3. 1723. Thank you.